Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine. Students, let's start our today's session. Today we will learn about day and night. Students, see on this page there are many things like clouds, birds, rainbow, house, garden. Students, let us see clouds, moon, stars, owl. A boy is sleeping. Students, let us see what we do in a day and what we do at night. Like we can see clouds, birds, a rainbow in the sky at in a day. We can enjoy the sunny weather in a day. We can see sun in the sky in a day. We can see stars, moon at night. We can sleep at night. Students, we can go market during daytime. We can buy anything of our choice during daytime. We can go to school during daytime. We can do many things. Students, open your book I Can Achiever Level 4, page number 40. See this picture and describe. Students, in the first pic, kids are playing with a football. Then a girl is sleeping on a bed. Students are studying in a class. A boy is taking bath. Students, paste smileys for the things you do during the day. We can play with our friends during the day and we can read the books. We can do study in a class during the day. Students, paste the smileys. Students, tell me something about day, about the sky. Which things we can see in the sky during the day? We can see sun in the sky. We can see clouds in the sky during the day. But we can see moon, stars in the sky at night. Students, this is the picture of a star. Let us sing a rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Speak after me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Students, open page number 41. Page number 41. Tear and paste pieces of silver paper. Pieces of silver paper to complete the star. Okay? Let us do an activity, students. Students, let's do an activity. You can take ball pens or sticks. Okay? Count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, make bundle of 10 streaks or pens. You can take pencils, spoons, etc. Okay? Make bundle like this. You can make 4 bundle and keep like this. Yes. You can count all the bundles like 10, 20, 30, 40 and like. These are 10. Now 10 plus 1, 11. Make 4 bundles like this and count 10, 20, 30, 40. Then count 1, 41, 2, 42, then 3, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Then you can make 5th bundle of 10 sticks, pencils and pens. You can use spoon also. Okay? Students, after doing this activity, keep your things on proper place. Show your activity, show your things to your parents, to your friends also. Okay. Students, after doing this activity, keep your material on proper place. Open page number 42 of your book. I Can Achiever Level 4. Students, count the sticks. Write the number. There are 10 sticks in each bundle. You can count each bundle 10, 20, 30, 40. And there is one stick, you can say 41. Right? In the next pic, there are 2 sticks. You can say 4 to 42. Then 3 sticks. You can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. Right here in the given space. Then 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 4, 44. Then in the next 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 5, 45. Open page number 43. Count the sticks. Here also 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 6, 46. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then count the sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 47. 4, 7, 47. Next 10, 20, 30, 40. Then count the sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48. 4, 8, 48. Then next 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can count like this. 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Right? 4, 9, 49. At last, count the sticks 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In each bundle, 10 sticks. Write 50, 50, 50. For this activity, you can use your pencils, pens, sticks, spoons, and your toys also. Okay, you can search these type of things at your home. You can take help of your parents. Okay, students, let's learn a rhyme. I want the moon. Anna did not have a toy to play with. Anna did not have a toy to play with. She looked at the moon. She looked at the moon. It looked like a ball. It looked like a ball. She asked her papa to bring her the moon. She wanted to play with it. She wanted to play with it. Her papa laughed. He got her a ball. Anna did not want to eat her food. She looked at the moon. It looked like a banana. She told her mama to bring her the moon. She wanted to eat it. Her mama laughed. She got her a banana. Anna likes the changing shapes of the moon. Students, learn the rhyme. After doing this, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in this session. In this session, you have learned about counting 41, 42. You have learned the difference between day and night and so many things. Students, play with your siblings and brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? Do not eat junk food. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Wash your hands after playing. Play with your friends and practice the rhymes you have learned in your previous sessions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.